Good morning children, welcome in your English class. Let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 16th of June 2021. Day is Wednesday. Subject is English language. This is our topic is revision number 3, lesson number 3 and 4. So this is the third revision of English and today we are going to cover remaining part of PA1 in English language. Okay, first lesson number 3. Okay, lesson number 1 and 2 we had covered in our previous class. Today we are going to start with lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is one and more than one. You already know what is one. One means singular, only one in number. If the thing is one in number, then it is one. All the naming words, nouns are one. They do not end with s, then it is one in number, then it is called one. And if it is more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we call them more than one. So here some examples of one and more than one are given here. So you had already done it, I will not repeat it. All the things that are given here you have to you have to write 10 things that you want to buy. So कोई भी 10 things you can write. Then how can you change one thing or one naming word into more than one? There were 4 rules. If simply you add s at the end of a naming word and it will become more than one. Like boys, cars, trees, सबके आगे आपने s लगाया, अब वो more than one में change हो. Then second is es. es के लिए हमने सीखा था कि अगर word is ending with x, word is ending with s, word is ending with sh or any word which is ending it with ch, ठीक है, इनके आगे आप es लगाते हैं, then it becomes more than one in number. x, s, ch, sh. तो इन सब के आगे आप es लगा देते हैं and it will become more than one. Then third rule was if any word ends with y, कोई भी वर्ड अगर y से एंड हो रहा है देन हम उस y को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं IES से. लेकिन देयर वाज वन मोर थिंग अबाउट इट कि y से पहले कॉन्सोनेंट होना चाहिए. कॉन्सोनेंट यू रिमेंबर ना, अगर y से पहले वॉवेल है AEIOU, एनी 5 में से कोई भी एक वॉवेल है y से पहले, तो आप उसके आगे सिर्फ s लगाते हैं, तब आप y को रिमूव नहीं करते हैं. बॉयज, टॉयज, ठीक है. लेकिन अगर y से पहले एक कॉन्सोनेंट है तो आप y को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं IES से. कंट्रीज, पार्टीज, ठीक है. देन लास्ट रूल वाज इफ एनी नेमिंग वर्ड एंड्स विद f और fe, आप f और fe को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं VES से. लाइक वाइफ विल बिकम वाइफ्स, नाइव्स, लीव्स, ठीक है. So these are the 4 rules that you have to remember for changing one word into more than one word. Then there were exercises where you had changed the one word into more than one word. Peach, peaches, bus, buses, boss, bosses, bush, bushes, table, tables, hat, hats, churches, toy, toys, books, lunches. Then second exercise was underline word. You have to see whether they are one word or more than one word. One word, for one word you have to write O. For more than one word you have to write M. Like cats is a more than one word, M. Film is a one word, O. Cup is a one word, O. Dishes is a many more than one, M. Cars, M. Eggs more than one, M. Pencils more than one, M. Books more than one, M. ये एक्सरसाइज में आपको सेंटेंस लिखे हुए आएंगे, आपको बताना होगा वन वर्ड है, मोर देन वन वर्ड है, ठीक है. तो एंड देन नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वाज चेंजिंग द words into more than one words. Like you have here you have to remove y with IES, ठीक है. You have to replace y with IES. Party will become parties, PARTIES. Babies, BABIES. Butterflies, BUTTER FLIES. Ladies, LADIES. Families, FAMILIES. Lorries, cities, ट्रॉलीज. आपने सब में देखा कि y को हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया IES से. देन देयर वर अनदर एक्सरसाइज जहाँ पे हमने सबसे पहले उसे more than one word में change किया, then sentence बनाए. You can skip the sentence part because it is a objective question paper, so you don't have to make the sentence there. So you can just learn the more than one word here. Okay, bat will change into bats, half, halves. See the spellings. Okay, coins, knives, glasses, lamps. See the spelling, how we have changed one word into more than one word. Okay, this is important. You can skip the sentence part. Then this exercise, as I had told you, this exercise will not come in your exam, so you can skip this exercise also. And last one exercise was this exercise. This is also important exercise. You have to revise it. Okay. So sky will change into skies, matches, singles, bottles, scarves, brothers. Clear? So then the definition part is given. You can skip this definition part because I have not given it in the copy, so you can skip this part also. Then next is your lesson number 4. In lesson number 4, you have learned the use of apostrophe s. Okay, how to where to use apostrophe s. So apostrophe s, when you are using apostrophe with s, that means that thing or whatever thing is shown that belongs to someone. Okay, it shows the belonging. Like here, pencil box belongs to Aditi, then Aditi's pencil box. हमने apostrophe s use किया. I hope you remember what is apostrophe. This comma is called apostrophe और उसके साथ जब हम s use करते हैं it become apostrophe s. Wings of parrots, parrot's wing. Bag belongs to a teacher, teacher's bag. Okay, so all these things can be used with apostrophes. Usually we don't use apostrophe with non-living things, but with countries we can use apostrophes. Here exercises were given. Dash car is brown, Rohit. So Rohit's car is brown. Kiran's. So आपको नाम के बाद सीधा apostrophes use करना है. You remember this. Giraffes. Neck is very long. My sister's eyes are blue. The king's crown is golden. The parrot's beak is bright red. Then you have to see where you have to use apostrophes. This exercise we had done in the copy also. I will show you the copy work. Like here, the tap's handle is not working. It is Vidhi's birthday today. Can you find my mother's purse? Daniel's shoes are too big. Mary's watch has a round dial. I can't remember the book's name. So this is how we use apostrophes. And last exercise was here also. Apostrophes आपने use किया. The children's books, the dog's tail, the spoon's purse, Arun's mother, Scooter's light, and house chimney. Then last exercise you can skip. This exercise will not come in your exam, so you can skip this exercise. Then I have made some questions for you. You can revise those questions and you can take the see how the questions may come in your exam. These are the sample questions. These questions will not come in your exam, but these are only the sample questions. Like first one, change boy into more than one word. Okay, आपको ये क्वेश्चन आया बॉय को मोर देन वन वर्ड में चेंज करना है. सो यू हैव टू सी द स्पेलिंग्स. ओके, सब बॉयज़ हैं, स्पेलिंग सबकी बॉयज़ की है, बट विच वन इज़ द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग? दिस वन इज़ द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, सो यू विल टिक दिस आंसर करेक्टली. टिक द करेक्ट वर्ड. अब आपको 3 वर्ड दिए गए, इसमें सही कौन सा है? हाफ्स, हाफ्स और हाउस. सो हाफ्स इज द करेक्ट वर्ड, सो यू विल टिक दिस वर्ड. द वन वर्ड फॉर वाइफ्स. वाइफ्स का वन वर्ड क्या होगा? वाइफ, वाइफ और नन. सो इट इज़ द करेक्ट वर्ड, बी वाला आंसर. यू कैन टिक ऑप्शन बी. डैश मदर, अरुण's मदर, अरुण मदर, अरुण's मदर. अपोस्ट्रोफियस कहाँ लगता है? नेम के बाद लगता है. So you can tick option number 4. And the last one is the wings of a parrot is same as. Wings of the parrot का मतलब क्या हुआ? Parrot's wing, parrot's wing और parrot wing. So answer number A is correct. So आपने answer number A को tick कर दें. So this is how you have to do your work questions. You have to answer the questions, and I hope you all have understood it. So this is all for English language revision. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, or you can send your queries to your class teacher in your class WhatsApp group. Thank you.